Good morning. Thank you for tuning in to your daily Wallops weather briefing for Monday, November 19th. We're going to be seeing a dry week with some seasonable conditions for the first couple of days of the week here, and then we're going to be getting very cold air mass moving in for Thanksgiving. Taking a look at our conditions across the area from yesterday, did see a very seasonable day across the region. Seeing high temperatures in the mid 50s, and then lows this morning were in the upper 30s for most locations. As of 9 a.m., seeing temperatures a little bit cooler to our north with temperatures in the mid 40s. Then down here at Wallops and across the Tidewater, seeing those temperatures in the low 50s with under mostly cloudy skies, with those clouds mainly being some upper level cirrus. Taking a look at our sound link from this morning, we are seeing some zonal winds across the entire column this morning, seeing those southwesterly winds around 10 knots just above the surface, then west-southwesterly across the remainder of the column. Winds are gradually increasing as we go up until they max out around 72 knots at the 25,000 foot level, seeing a freezing level this morning just above 8,000 feet. Taking a look at our satellite and radar loop this morning, you can see that abundance of upper level cloudiness moving across the mid-Atlantic this morning. There is a little weak disturbance down there across the Carolinas that'll keep some spotty rain showers down there. Those rain showers aren't expected to move up towards our area, so we are going to remain dry throughout the day. Maybe seeing a increase in a cloud cover near 6,000 or 7,000 feet as we go towards the afternoon, but that's all really that's going to have an effect on us. Otherwise, just seeing a mostly cloudy day with those clouds mainly being at the 20 and 25,000 foot levels. Taking a look at our surface analysis from this morning, we do have high pressure mainly dominating the mid-Atlantic region. We do have a weak frontal system there across just west of the Appalachians. That'll continue to move eastward. It's going to be a dry frontal passage once it reaches us, so not expecting any rain from it, but it will usher in some colder conditions as we go through the next couple of days here. Otherwise, not really seeing much impact other than a brief increase in cloud cover as that front slowly moves its way over in the next couple of days. So taking a look at our forecast charts here, you can see that rain down there at the Tidewater. Not going to make it up here. Just going to be continuing to see conditions today like we have been seeing all morning here at Wallops. As we go into tonight, we'll get that front moving closer to the region. That's going to cross the area. Like I said, it's going to be dry, so not expecting any rainfall from this. Just going to be ushering in some slightly cooler temperatures as we go through Tuesday and Wednesday. And as you can see, on Tuesday, we are going to be having that some high pressure build in. That's going to just help to moderate our temperatures a little bit. But the real cold weather won't come in until we get into late Wednesday and into Thursday, as we have a strong high pressure dropping down from Canada. That's going to bring a very cold air mass to the region. We are going to see those temperatures, high temperatures for Thursday, struggle to get out of the mid 30s. Taking a look at our weather chart for today, going to be seeing a high in the upper 50s. We're seeing the temperature already up to a 56 with those southwesterly winds. Winds are going to be south-southwesterly throughout the day, running around 5 to 10 knots through this evening, and then increasing just a bit as we go past midnight tonight. Going to continue to see sky conditions pretty similar to what we've been seeing all morning here throughout the day today. As we go into tonight, we are going to be seeing a chance for some patchy fog across the region, similar to what we saw this morning, as we got some lower level moisture. Those winds, if they are at 7 to 12 knots, could prevent that from being too widespread in coverage, but still expecting a little bit of patchy fog here and there by early morning tomorrow. We're going to be seeing a low tomorrow morning of 48 with those southwesterly winds keeping that low up a little bit, so it's going to be a pretty mild morning for this time of year for tomorrow. Taking a look at our terminal forecast, going to be seeing some clouds near 6,000 or 7,000 feet as we go towards the afternoon, as well as that continued upper level cloudiness around 20,000 feet. As we go into tonight, we're going to see that 6,000 foot cloud layer diminish, and then we'll start to see those lower clouds under 1,000 feet develop at times, possibly seeing some IFR conditions out there with that ceiling potentially dropping below 500 feet if we get to any patchy fog or low clouds develop after about 4 a.m. For tomorrow, going to be looking at mostly cloudy skies with a chance of patchy fog early. Then we'll see those skies become just partly cloudy late. It's going to be seasonable with a high of 59. Then we'll have that dry cold front move through with some high pressure building in behind it. That's going to set up for a chilly night on Tuesday night. We get some clear skies and lighter winds with a low of 33. And then Wednesday is going to be a cold day as we have that high pressure settled across the region with a high of 49 under partly cloudy skies. Taking a look at our forecast today, going to be seeing temperatures in the upper 50s for today and tomorrow. Tomorrow, late in the day, we're going to see that dry frontal passage across the area, and that's going to be just dropping our temperatures a little bit below average for this time of year for Wednesday. So expecting that high to get near 50 degrees. It is going to be cold Wednesday morning with that high in place. And then was going Wednesday into Thursday, we're going to get that secondary cold front moving through the area as that strong Canadian high pressure drops down. And that's really going to cool things off for Thanksgiving. So it's going to be rather chilly on Thanksgiving. That pressure gradient is also going to be tightened up as that high pressure moves in. So it's going to be breezy as well with some very cold wind chill out there for Thursday. Looking at a low of 29, and then Thursday you see that high is really going to struggle to even get out of the mid-30s, just to show you how much of a cold air mass it's going to be out there. And then Friday, as that high pressure centers over the mid-Atlantic, we're going to get those calmer winds. That's going to help that low drop down into the low 20s. So very cold morning for Friday. We'll start to see that temperature moderate again as we go into the day Friday, as we get those winds starting to shift southeast as a coastal low starts to develop down off of the Florida coast, and that's going to be moving its way up north as we go into Saturday. We're going to see those temperatures really warm up as we get those southeasterly winds really increasing ahead of the system. And then Saturday does look to be rather rainy as that system makes its way across. Still a question of how strong it's going to be and the exact track of it. The models don't seem to be agreeing too much right now, but that'll clear up as we go later through the week. But otherwise, it does look like it's going to be a rainy and breezy day for Saturday. And then Sunday, that system will move off to the northeast. Still looking like a chance for some isolated showers behind that system is possible. And it's still going to be a fairly mild day as those winds remain westerly with a high of 62 for both Saturday and Sunday. That'll do it for your daily weather briefing. We'll be back tomorrow morning at 8:15 a.m. Have a great day.